How to set up SafePal hardware wallet. Are you guys facing issue to set up SafePal hardware wallet on your mobile devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To set up your SafePal hardware wallet, first unbox the device and charge it fully. Then download the SafePal app on your phone from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app, tap the hardware wallet, and then select Bind Hardware Wallet. Turn on your device and scan the QR code shown on your phone using the hardware wallet's camera. After appearing, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. Select Create Wallet and you'll receive a recovery phrase. Write down all the words in same exact order on paper and store it safely offline. Confirm the phrase on the device to complete setup. Once confirmed, your hardware wallet is ready to use securely with the SafePal app. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to set up a SafePal hardware wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.